Good evening and welcome to Lexus MacArthur. Thank you for taking the time to be here. So tonight's all about helping you guys and going through the cars that you've purchased, the cars that you own, and we want to just teach you something about it, whether it's technology, comfort or safety. So tonight is designed to relax, to be a hands-on and also helpful experience.
I think my favourite part about hosting the event this evening was seeing all of our most recent customers come and enjoy our showroom and get to learn a little bit more from each of our team members.
Mostly learned about how to use the Hey Lexus, Apple CarPlay and turn some of the functions on and off.
And I think I've learned I need to learn a little bit more because I need to catch up on all that.
I've taken away so much from this workshop tonight. I'm looking forward to more workshops like this.
I have to say that the best part of tonight has got to be the people in the room putting on such an immaculate event, so well organised, and then the people who attended the event just having some amazing conversations with Lexus owners, both new and existing, asking these great questions about electric vehicles and what it means for the future of Australia, being able to break down some of the barriers of misconceptions and unknowns when it comes to owning an electric vehicle. Just incredible. Very, very well planned and executed.
What an incredible night. We've just wrapped up here our first Know Your Lexus night. Thank you to everybody who joined us tonight. I hope you really got a lot out of tonight. I hope you know much more about your Lexus. Please provide your feedback as it is imperative for us, and we hope you all had an incredible night.